What's going on, traders? Thanks for tuning in today's YouTube video. Today we're going to do a lot of things. In the first place, we are going to break down the trade that I took with the inner circle this week, which was a 4.5 hour trade based on smart money concepts. Now, I asked you in the Telegram channel if you would like to see a trade breakdown, and yeah, the majority said yes, so we're going to definitely cover up this one for you. Plus, I asked you about the future YouTube content, and yeah, I can see everything is good. Most of you would like to see still Forex pair analysis, so we're going to also analyze the Gbpusd and the EURUSD today. Plus, guys, we are going to make a giveaway. What does that mean? I already explained it to you in the Telegram channel as well. I would like you to like this video, to comment it as much as possible, and then I'm going to pick a random number. I'm going to use for that a website where it will generate a random number, and then I will go to the comment section and I will scroll down and I will use exactly that specific number of the comments. So we will see how many comments we will have. I will type it in the calculator and let it in the program and let the program choose which number will be the winner. And yeah, the winner will get 1 month inner circle for free. And if you are already in the inner circle, for example, you already have 1 monthly subscription or even 1 year, it's not a problem. You will still get the 1 month for free. Okay, guys, then I would say let's get it right into this video and let's have a look on the Gbpusd trade that I took this week. And as you can see, it was this particular trade over here. But let me just check over here on this YouTube channel, on this YouTube video. I've explained to you what I was expecting from the Gbpusd. As you can see it over here, I was expecting the market to go up higher. Oh, sorry guys. I was expecting the market to go up higher. So let me check it out over here. So from here, the market should go up higher, retracement, back up, and something like this. So we have over here two important order blocks, and this is why I was looking for price in the first place to go up higher and afterwards to drop. Now let's have a look here from the 4 hours. And let's determine that zones once again. So it was this area of demand that I mapped out. And when the price was over here, I was expecting it to go from here all the way to the upside. Okay. And here we had another area of supply. Now the thing is, I didn't get my entry confirmation at this area. It was too late, so I missed that entry. Of course, the market is giving us that one because we've been at this level of demand, and the market then went up higher without me. Okay, it's part of this business. Sometimes it occurs. It's not a problem. And then I was looking here for the market to go to the downside. I was looking and looking and looking, and I've never seen any kind of price action confirmation. And I just thought about, okay, what will this market now do? And as you can see, it was just moving very slowly, but still it was strongly moving to the downside. And I just thought about, okay, I'm going to miss that trade. But no, patience is here the key. Now the thing is, especially when it comes to smart money concepts, is you would like to get big risk reward trades. So you don't want to be like that normal retail trader who is going to enter here, put stop loss above this high, and then put a take profit here, and you will have a 1 to 1 or 1.5 risk reward, something like this. This is not something that I am interested in. So I don't like to take trades like this. I mean, of course, your win rate will be massively better, but the thing is, you will not get your account bigger. Due to, if you're going to lose some trades, then you will be immediately in loss, or your account will really grow super slowly, and it will take you several years, and you need to have big account balances in order to really can live out of trading. This is kind of the thing which I just thought about, no, that's not how I'm going to do it. I did it in the past. Yes, I was also a super normal retail trader. I used these concepts because these concepts really work, guys. But there's one important difference between smart money, so I'm call it SMC, smart money concepts, and retail trader concepts. Call them RTC. Now, between these two things, there are big differences. Now, what they have in common is if you're going to analyze the market from a smart money concept way and from a retail trader concept, you will see that both traders will say to you, yeah, the market should go up. Okay, because analyzing market structure is very similar. So that's not rocket science to make analysis and to be right in this analysis. Key is to say in a short-term perspective what the market will do. This is what normal retail trader cannot say to you that good. Okay, when it comes right now to the daily, weekly, and monthly, then these two are almost the same. Probably sometimes even the 4 hours, because if you see here some correctional pattern, the market will really drop down and you have these trend lines and the market will fall down if it is in a context like this. Okay, I explained to you this kind of thing multiple times. But the main difference is how are you going to trade, for example, this one. Now you have a bearish market, right? Then the market is correcting, everybody knows that. You have this one thing over here. And you expect the market to drop to the downside. Where are you going to place your trade? For example, this is how the majority will do it. They wait for the strong move, for that break of structure, put here their short position. Okay? Stop loss above this area or something like this, and yeah, then till the next level of support. So for example, we have here some level of support. Then we'll put it over here, and they will have a risk reward of 1-to-1. Congratulations, bro. I mean, definitely you can do it, but you will understand that this is not kind of the percentages that you would like to see, and setups like this will not occur that often, and probably not every single trade will be then also successfully. And this is kind of the thing which refers to me, okay, I'm not interested in something like that, but what I'm interested is in catching a movement like this, for example. That would be a 1-to-7. You know, that's a huge difference. Or probably you're even better, 1-to-15 or something like this. Okay, now you can really make big risk rewards with these smart money concepts. Of course, you will lose some trades, of course, because it's not possible. The idea behind the smart money concept is that we're going to follow the overall movements of the institutions within this market, because we know they are creating these waves. They are buying and selling this market. This is why the market even is moving like that. And retail traders, they only try to build here some probabilities while the market is doing this kind of things. And you will say, yeah, I'm going to go short right now. That's your idea behind this trade. But the thing is that these strategies over here are not based on smart money concepts. It's not based on the behavior of the market itself. You need in the first place to understand why the market is moving like that, and then you should build your strategy. But this retail trader concepts that you can see here over and over again, resistance, support, these kind of things, they do not really exist, right? This is something which we retail trader are thinking of, okay, these are the structures that the market are creating, okay? We are here and put here trend lines. But the reality here of trend lines is you can draw your trend lines like you want it to have it. For example, like this, right? Then that one over here should be a short, but the market was just moving up higher. It's just the way how the trader is looking at it. Other trader will say, no, that's not correct. You need to draw it from here till here, and you should buy the market at this area. and stuff like this, you know. This is kind of the things where I'm just looking at it and I just say, yeah, I mean, yeah, could work, because these strategies exist due to, on a long-term perspective, okay, long-term perspective, you will be definitely profitable. You will definitely make some money with this concepts. Probably you will really increase your account up to 100%, but probably in 5 years or something like this. But it's possible, because these concepts are definitely profitable, but they are not as good as you probably think of. This is not how everybody is thinking of when you say you're a trader. You don't say, yeah, I will flip your account in 5 years. This is not the expectations, and it should not be your expectations that it will take that much, okay? And this is the problem then. People will see something like this and then they say, yeah, I'm going to risk 3% per trade. I will risk 5%. I will risk 10%, 20. Oh, come on. I will just risk everything with one trade. I will go all in. And this kind of the things, because whenever these concepts will fail, okay, when, for example, you're going to take here your trade here short and then stop loss hit, then again stop loss hit, you will not believe in the strategy anymore. You will just say, I'm not sure, and you will get emotionally and you will risk the next trade everything, because you say, yeah, but I have even more confirmations right now, and then your account is gone. And this kind of the things, these retail trader concepts are super emotionally. So trust me, I've traded them a long time. I just thought at the beginning, when I first time discovered supply demand, I just thought, oh, I'm the king, but I didn't really understand how supply demand really works. And there are also a lot of variations of supply demand. So people are trying to sell you education courses where they say, yeah, this is a demand zone. Bro. Okay, as you can see, so there are a lot of people trying to sell you something, to give you the illusion, yeah, this is the best strategy and stuff like this. But it's super important to understand how this kind of thing really works. And at the moment when you understand why the market really is giving you that move down, afterwards move up, why then afterwards down, up, down, why the market is really doing this kind of stuff, then you will understand how the market really works. Then you will understand why you should go short right now, and why your short trade, for example, hit your stop loss and not your take profit. Because if you really understand why these movements occur in the market, then it will be super simple for you. Trust me. Also me, I needed a lot of time to understand this kind of things over here. But since I understood it, for me, it's really easy. So really, it's really enjoying to go trading. It's not that kind of big emotionally stuff anymore, so it's super enjoyable. The only thing is, like I told you, you work here with big risk reward trades, guys, and that means is you would like to catch, for example, from here this movement all the way to the upside. Okay, that's kind of the smart money concepts, for example, one possible trade. And you will not succeed due to you're going to put your stop loss definitely to entry, and probably the price will come down like here, and then you're going to end up at break even and the price will fly without you. This is something which will occur sometimes, of course, or probably you will think of from this, okay, that will be the bearish continuation, but it was not here, instead of it was here. But it's not a problem, because you're going to try it, or here, again, here you will try it 2 times, but 3 times, and at the 3rd time it will play out and you will be super big in profit. And this is kind of the thing that you need. You need to have patience when it comes to smart money concepts. And I will show you in my trade breakdown how I did it, because also here I thought the market will go down from this level, but still I didn't took the trade over here. I took it here, and still I rocked this kind of small movement with a 4.5 hour in just a few minutes, guys. So it really didn't take me that much time to be successful in that one trade. Okay, guys. So let's do it. Let's do the trade breakdown. So as explained to you, that was my level of demand. Here I had my level of supply. Now, I know market should go up. I didn't get my price action confirmation. Let's go here. I didn't get my price confirmation here. No, nothing. And here, that was the first time within this area when I've seen the first time, okay, we should go down. We should go down. Then I sent a signal to the inner circle and we took that nice trade. And my expectations previously have been, yeah, we're going to go here lower to touch that level of demand before we're going to go up higher. But the thing is, look here, you got below this low, you got stop losses. So here there are stop losses located. And that kind of thing was also my trade ID. I was expecting the market to only give me that movement to hunt these stop losses to get then afterwards the liquidity to go up higher. But I was not sure if we're going to go that low to go even here till this level. But the thing is that at this level, the market didn't have enough liquidity because the market is moving like this. Like this, okay? Market is not giving you always these kind of movements like we hit it over here. Sometimes you have it, of course, but not always. And in this kind of thing, we are still part of a bullish movement, as you can see, because the market has started this impulse, and this kind of thing here is only the correction, okay? And this is something which, when I've seen the market dropping down, hunting the stop losses, I just decided, okay, I'm going to close it, and it was the right decision because the market afterwards really went up higher. And since then, we're still consolidating over here, and we will see what the market will do. So I will give you right now also a full breakdown analysis for the Gbpusd to explain you what we can expect right now the next. Now guys, just one thing, if you are interested in these smart money concepts, then you can write me a Telegram private message to ask me if you would like to get mentored by me, because I have over here 3 sessions planned for you, for everybody who would like to learn this. I will only teach it from 1-to-1, okay, where I will explain you how these concepts works, because it's really not that difficult. Of course, you will need a little bit time of experience to learn this whole thing. I needed for these concepts almost 3 months to really understand everything, how this kind of things really works. But at the moment, after you've learned it, it will make click in your head and you will really understand how this market really moves. Okay, and I will not teach it to everybody. I would like to learn something about you to know what kind of mindset you have, and then I will decide if I will teach you if you are interested in that 1-to-1 mentorship. So definitely just write me a private message on Telegram. You will find it in the link tree and also in the Telegram channel in the description. Okay guys, then I would say let's continue with this analysis, and I will show you right now what we can expect from institutional perspective on the Gbpusd. Now basically from the monthly, this whole thing is bullish, okay? You got impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. So what I like to do over here is always to use this kind of thing over here to show you the higher highs and higher lows, because this is the only thing what smart money concepts really care about. Okay, so they do not care about support, resistance and stuff like this. No, they care about the overall uptrend structure. So this kind of things what the market is giving you, and expectations right now is the market to probably continue from here higher, but still we can go lower before moving up higher. That's something which we cannot declare from the monthly. The only thing is what I expect is to test this level over here due to institutions probably have here some positions left, okay? Because what they are doing is basically they have opened here shorts, okay? They have opened here shorts and they are moving up higher, and probably they are going to test this level once again before moving up higher, because this kind of movement will completely collect a lot of stop losses from traders who will go then afterwards shorts, because the market will provide you this kind of downtrend structure, and then at some point they will completely hunt everything out of this market, and you will have here expectations that the market will give you deeper correction. And also here's some traders will think of, yeah, I will just hold it due to this is still up below this resistance, market should go here and stuff like this, but it will not give you that kind of movements. And this is why these corrections are always super bad for retail traders if they do not understand how to handle this. Okay, so back to the monthly, we could expect bearish corrections, but it is not absolutely necessary. On the weekly, we have the same super bullish structure, as you can see, price moving up higher in higher highs and higher lows, but recently it started this kind of correction here, okay? This is kind of my expectations right now. It looks like the market will push up a little bit higher before afterwards dropping now lower, because I'm figuring out this is my impulse, this is my correction, and this will be my bearish continuation. But still, guys, it's possible that the market will just move up higher, because the thing is, we are still here in this range, okay? We're still in this range. It's about 50%, so let me check it out. A little bit more corrections, not a problem. The thing is over here is that the market is here right now in sideways market. This is a sideways market. This is something which a lot of traders do not understand. They just will say, yeah, it's an uptrend, it's a downtrend, stuff like this. Yeah, technically it is still in an uptrend as long as we're going to be above this area. And if we're going to break this uptrend continuation, if we're going to break this, then we will have bearish continuation, okay? Now, the thing is, the market can do right now within this area everything what he likes to do. We could see something like this, then bullish continuation. We could see from here bullish, bullish, bullish. We could see bullish, bullish, bearish, 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 bullish, bullish, bearish. That's doesn't matter, guys. We can do here whatever the markets would like to do. If the institutions do not have enough liquidity to push the price up higher, they are going to bring it more to the downside to collect some more people on the bearish side in order for them afterwards to get for that movement. If there are enough liquidity, they are going to push the price straight through it, or they are going to move it a little bit higher to collect more people for shorts. Boom, boom, fake you out in both directions. Doesn't care. This is kind of how smart money is doing. So you need to understand that within this area, we have sideways market right now due to the market is just moving like this right now, okay? And it could do this, okay? Or it could go up higher or something like this. Everything is possible, guys. Everything is possible, okay? Remember that. Let's go right now to the daily. Now, the daily is a little bit different. The daily has shown us right now liquidity on both sides. So we have liquidity here. We have liquidity here. What does that mean? Liquidity means stop losses. So we know that here retail traders will be positioning themselves as short trader and they are interested in shorting the market from here. Now, what the bank should do here within this market is to collect these liquidities. That means they would like to go up higher to hunt this liquidity and to hunt this liquidity. And this is kind of thing right now. It's everything reflected on all time frames that we don't know exactly what this market will do. But we have right now a little bit of an advantage. The advantage currently is that the market has broken this structure. Here above we had stop losses. Okay, so what the market did is moving with this one here, pushing through these stop losses, afterwards giving us a correction, moving up higher, correction. Okay, right now what the market is doing is a correction after this impulse. Everything is good, right? So what is our bias right now? Our bias is of course bullish. Right now it looks more than likely that we should be bullish, but also here we have this whole area right now where the market could go potentially lower and then higher, or higher, lower. So as you can see, we have the same range again, okay? Everybody will just laugh right now, okay? I do not learn anything new about this whole thing. I don't know what to do with Gbpusd. Yeah, guys, it's a little bit difficult, right? So as you can see, we have right now a big range for trading, but that's not a problem for us. We're going to go right now even more to the depth. Now the thing is, what I will expect is the market to go up higher very soon. What I do expect. Let's go to the 4 hours. Now, what we have here is interesting level of demand. Okay, so from my point of view, the market could go down lower. So we are here also at the supply, right? So we got here supply. We have this whole area we can cover up as one big area of supply. That's what we can do. The thing is right now, we can expect the market to go up higher, hunt more liquidity, go lower, hunt more liquidity, and then bullish continuation. Because here, stop losses. This stop losses we have already cleared up, but here we have stop losses, so liquidity. We have here liquidity, okay? We have here liquidity. Now, with that move up, we're going to clear this one. This one here is not important for us right now, because if the market will push up here, it will clear the liquidity from these levels over here, and afterwards we have the chance to see that huge drop to clear this liquidity on the other side. Okay, so the market is clearing always liquidity on both sides, whether you're bullish or you're bearish, doesn't matter, it will clear the liquidity on both sides, guys. Okay, now what should we expect? Well, basically right now I'm looking for the market to give me that potential move up and afterwards to drop crazy to the downside. That's one option. So let me map it out for you to give us this kind of movement and then something like this. Or we're going to just push through it. Now the thing is, if the market will hit that level here, then we are going to clear the liquidity on this side. And then we can expect deeper retracement. Then we can expect to clear up this liquidity. Okay, that's kind of the idea right now, guys. I know it sounds probably a little bit difficult to you if you're not familiar with these concepts. The thing is right now, what I would like to see is the market to go up higher here. Okay, here and then short, or we're going to just break through it. This is why we need to see what the market will do here to see some price action confirmation. Okay, well, that's basically it, guys. Like I already explained to you, if you're interested in this kind of concepts to learn the trading of it, to understand how it works, I give one-to-one mentorships, plus you will be added afterwards in my mentorship group where I will show you exactly what setups I'm looking for. I will give you over here also everything in detail, where I'm going to enter what kind of price action confirmation I'm looking for and stuff like this. Let's continue with the EURUSD, guys. Now here, EURUSD was completely successfully from our last analysis. This market, look here, is technically from a monthly perspective bullish. So let me just use here a clean chart for you. Technically super bullish. We are still above this area. This is the range that we are currently located, but still we could even see the market going that much to the downside, like this area. Also possible, because I explained to you in one of the videos that we could probably test a level over here. Something like this is possible. Not 100% sure about that one thing over here. So in EURUSD, it's not that clear what it will really do. The thing is, it is respecting this area over here, as you can see, going up higher, and right now we can expect definitely short-term bearish movements. That's what we can expect, because the thing is, the market has been giving us here bearish impulsive movement to the downside, and since we are still in that range, we should still expect the market right now to give us at least a retracement or probably even the bearish continuation. So it's not clear. From a daily perspective, the market has been completely respecting my levels of supply. So overall, this whole area was my level of supply. I mapped it out then afterwards in 2 levels. And we got here that bigger one, that's this one. And we've also had one here. As you can see, we've had a reaction on both levels. So you've seen over here this movement, and right now look at this, we are retesting this supply and we're pushing lower, clearing liquidity here. Everything is good, so for the bearish continuation, but still we could see right now something like this. Okay, it's definitely possible. Not sure on EURUSD right now that much. Let me check it out on the 4 hours if we can spot here something. Well, basically the thing is, you got nice uptrend and the market should go definitely a little bit lower to give us a deeper correction before the possible bullish movement, or for giving us based off this bearish movement, the bearish continuation. Okay, it's not really clear on the EURUSD, but still I wanted to share with you this analysis due to it really respected the areas of supply perfectly. As you can see, went lower. This one is still one because it is retesting it, but I would not use it anymore right now, so it's not for me an interesting level. It's only right now this one, and basically this area of supply is super big, so we could easily use the whole area right now. And as long as we're going to be within this area, we can expect bearish continuation till this level, okay, till this. And we need to break this one for the bearish continuation, okay, or we need to break this one for the bullish continuation, okay. So that's basically a technical analysis on the higher time frames. On the lower time frames, it's a little bit more complex right now. Yeah, guys, basically that's it with this video. Now you can subscribe, like, and comment if you would like to also participate on the giveaway of the inner circle. And yeah, guys, I would like to say then, see you then in the next video. Hopefully you liked it. It's super educational in this time. A lot of concepts, smart money concepts. And yeah, see you then definitely in the new YouTube video, guys. Bye bye.